Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice noodles. First, choose your dried rice noodles. This easy method works for various types. Place them in a large bowl, making sure they are fully covered. Next, pour very hot tap water over the noodles. For thinner vermicelli, soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you have wider, flat noodles, allow 10 to 15 minutes. The goal is for them to become pliable, not mushy. Once your noodles have soaked for the recommended time, it's crucial to check their doneness. Take a strand and bite it. It should be tender but still have a slight chew, similar to al dente pasta. Be careful not to oversoak, as rice noodles can quickly turn mushy. As soon as they reach the desired texture, promptly drain them in a colander. This stops the cooking process and prepares them for the next step. After draining, rinsing your rice noodles under cold running water is a vital step. This immediately halts the cooking process and washes away any excess starch, which is key to preventing them from clumping together. Gently run your fingers through the noodles as you rinse to ensure every strand is separated. For an extra layer of protection against stickiness, you can lightly toss them with about 1 teaspoon of neutral oil. Your perfectly prepared rice noodles are now ready for your culinary creations. They are excellent in stir-fries, where they only need about 1 to 2 minutes to absorb the sauce. For soups, add them directly to your hot broth just before serving to maintain their ideal texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will keep well for up to 2 days, ready for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.